Technical grade 7, we are going to look at construction of quadrilaterals. There are various types of quadrilaterals. So we begin with a square. Naturally, when we are constructing, we begin with straight lines. We draw a straight line like that. We want to draw a square that measures 5 centimeters. Here, we take a length of 5 centimeters. From that point to that point is 5 centimeters. And then we label our construction line as A and B. We get hold of our pair of compass. We adjust it like that up to 5 centimeters. There. This is our 5 centimeters. Like that. We construct a perpendicular line at point B. Stand at point B, strike an arc there, strike another arc there. We adjust our pair of compass a little bit. We stand at this point, we strike an arc, stand at this other point, we strike another arc, and then we join the 2 points. Join the 2 points accurately like that, and then we draw a perpendicular line. So this angle is 90 degrees. We confirm our length once again by the use of our ruler. Stand there. We adjust it so that we get exactly 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Like that. Then we stand at this point here. We strike an arc at that point. We strike another arc at that point, like that. And then we stand at this point on top here. We strike an arc there. Without adjusting any measurement, we stand at point A again here. We strike another arc there. And then accurately we join the points with the use of our ruler. Draw a perpendicular line at that point. And then we also draw parallel at this point. So this is our square A, B, C, D, where this line and this line are parallel and perpendicular likewise. So this is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and lastly 5 centimeters. And then we put these marks to show that it is a square where all sides are equal. Next, we are going to construct a rectangle. So our construction number 2 is our rectangle. And the measurements are 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. We begin our we draw our construction line like that. Then we measure 5 centimeters. We take our pair of compass. Construction line, we can indicate this point as our A. And then we measure accurately 5 centimeters. Fortunately, this is 5 centimeters. Then we stand here we reduce our pair of compass a little bit. We put our pointer at B, we strike an arc there and another arc there. We reduce it a little bit. We increase it a little bit. And then we stand at this point, our former arc. We strike one arc there, and then we stand at this point, we strike another arc. And then we draw a perpendicular line at that point. So this is our perpendicular line. This one is 5 centimeter, and our height, we were told it is 3 centimeters. So once again, put our ruler there and measure accurately 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. So from this point to that point, we strike our 3 centimeters like that. We come to this other point A here. We strike 3 centimeters, and then we adjust our pair of compass up to that point. We transfer it to this point where we had our 3, and then we strike an arc there, and then with the help of our ruler, draw a straight line on the 2 arcs. Draw a straight line like that, and then at this other point here, we also draw a straight line like that. Then we label our triangle as A, B, C, D. This is the length is 5 centimeters, and the height here is 3 centimeters. So this side and this side are parallel. So that is our rectangle. The rectangle is one among several quadrilaterals. Next, we move on to a rhombus. A rhombus the measurement is 4 point. The length is equals to 4.5 centimeters, and the diagonal is 5.0. Diagonal is 5.0 centimeters. So we begin with our length. Construction line there, then this is our point. Our length is 4.5 centimeters, so we measure 4.5, we adjust it a little bit. This is 4.5, and then on our line we strike 4.5 centimeters like that, and then our diagonal is 5.0 centimeters. So we measure 5.0 centimeters from here. This is 4.5. We adjust it a little bit. 5 centimeters. So from here, we can label our rhombus as A, B. We stand at this point here, we strike an arc, and we strike another arc down there. Then we stand here, join this point to that point, this point, that point, this point here, we join it to that point, this point here, point A, we join it to the tip there. So this is our rhombus. You can call this AB, C, D. That is how the rhombus is constructed. Now let us look at a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelo. We use a rubber to erase that way, then you clean the area. Parallelogram. Now we want to construct a parallelogram. One side is 4 centimeters and another side is 5 centimeters. The included angle is 60 degrees. Along our line of construction in pre-technical, we have learned how to draw an angle of 60 degrees. How do we draw an angle of 60 degrees? Once again, we start with our construction line. Draw it there like that. Can take 5 centimeters from there. So I draw accurately 5 centimeters. I put it properly. 5 centimeters. Once again, I begin from 0 there. Fortunately, this is 5 centimeters. From my point here, I strike an arc there like that. So this is 5 centimeters. I can call this O, B. Now, at point A here, I want to construct an angle of 60 degrees. What I'm going to do, I adjust my compass a little bit. Stand at that point. I reduce it further. An angle of 60 degrees. I draw there like that. I transfer my point from that point to this other point here, and then I strike another arc there like that. This is an angle of 60 degrees. Then I use my ruler to join these 2 points like that. So this is an angle of 60 degrees. This is our 5 centimeters. And then our length is 4 centimeters. This one here. So we measure accurately 4 centimeters. Accurately 4 centimeters. So from there, I measure 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters like that. I transfer my 4 centimeters here. I strike an arc there for 4 centimeters. Without adjusting our length, I transfer it here. I strike 4 centimeters. Yeah. And then I adjust my length from OB so that it's 5 centimeters. Then like that, this is 5 centimeters. Without adjusting our length, I transfer it to this point here. I strike another arc there. And then carefully I join this arc to that point and this other arc there. Carefully to that other arc there. So I've constructed a parallelogram where this angle and this angle are the same, this angle and this angle are the same. So I can label it O, B, Q, R. So the four quadrilaterals that we have constructed look like this. The first one is a square. We have shown how to construct it. The second one is a rectangle here. The third one is a rhombus. We have constructed it like that. Lastly, the parallelogram, we have constructed it that way. We have ensured that our diagrams were neat without so much erasing. Thank you.